As I mentioned earlier, RACPC denotes Retail Assets Central Processing Cell, which facilitates a skilled set of people who can do the appraisal part, the sanction part, documentation part and release of the loans at one place. 47 branches are attached to this RACPC, and why we have opened a second RACPC, there is a reason, because Hyderabad city is geographically very big. It is very difficult for customers from various parts of Hyderabad to travel to Secunderabad to conduct this business. So people living in high-tech area, Gachibowli area and in the surroundings of Jubilee Hills, for them it will be convenient to visit this RACPC to meet their requirements in education loans, housing loans, auto loans, personal loans, etc. The features of this RACPC are, it has discussion rooms where they can get answers to their queries about the products, about the services, and also the best product which will be suited to their income. We also have an entertainment wing where they can sit and wait with TV channels, etc. available there, and refreshments, beverages available to them. We have specialists in documentation, in processing, sitting in various cabins. We have also arranged for valuers, that is engineers, and also advocates who will be giving the title clearance report. So it obviates the needs for customers to visit their offices. That means at one stop only they are having all the facilities. Besides that, for value addition, because these loanees require other facilities like general insurance in case of auto loans, SBI life insurance in case of home loans. So we have SBI card also. All these three people will be sitting here from our subsidiaries who will be catering to the requirements of the customers. Besides that, we have also taken into account the convenience of the customers, like salaried people who are working in different organizations have Saturday and Sunday off as weekly offs. They can visit this center on weekly offs and conduct their business. They need not take leave for their requirement. We are keeping Tuesday as a weekly off for this particular outfit. So this is one step for meeting the requirements of the customers, not financially but also for their convenience. There are many good features about State Bank. First of all, the goodwill and brand value. Second is our interest rates, which are highly competitive as compared to other banks, plus the delivery point and the services which are the best possible in this particular outfit. So they have to be part of the SBI, because only this facility is available to the existing customers as well as prospective customers.